Let's make a Captain and Cola. To answer your question, yes, there is an official recipe for the Captain and Cola. I suspect that most people don't abide by the recipe or even know what it is. They probably just mix some parts of rum and some parts of cola and call it good, and it's probably good. But today we are going to make the official version of the Captain and Cola that they list on their website. Second question, is this a rum and cola or is this a Cuba Libre? The two drinks are very similar. The difference is the lime juice. A rum and cola has rum and cola. A Cuba Libre has rum, cola, and lime juice. So if you don't intentionally add some lime juice into the drink, then chances are it's a rum and cola. However, the two drinks are so close, especially since most rum and colas use a lime as a garnish, and that lime has juice, and that juice gets into the glass and mixes with your drink. People call a rum and cola a Cuba Libre and a Cuba Libre a rum and cola. The two are almost interchangeable. But if you want to be technical, rum and colas and Cuba Libres are different. So is this a Cuba Libre or is it a rum and cola? It has a lime and as a garnish, and you're intended to squeeze that lime into your drink, so maybe it's really a Cuba Libre. I'll let you be the judge. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a Captain and Cola, you really should be using Captain Morgan Original Spiced Rum. If you want to make a rum and cola, or a Cuba Libre with a different rum instead, feel free to do so. However, then you're not making the official Captain and Cola. To make this drink, we're going to start by filling our glass with ice, and the official glass is a highball or a Collins. I have a Collins, so I'm going to fill that with ice. Next, I'm going to add my rum. 1.5 ounces of the Captain Morgan Original Spiced Rum. Half an ounce is 45 milliliters. Then 3 ounces of the cola of your choice. I like Mexican Coke, so that's what I'm going to be using. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. And I am going to measure it just for the sake of argument. I'm going to pour slowly so I don't fizz it all off. And as you can see, it probably doesn't fill up the whole glass, so this is why a lot of people don't bother measuring it out. But if you really wanted to make this fill the glass, you could go with parts. It's 1 part rum to 2 parts cola. There you go. Now we've got our lime. I'm going to squeeze that into the glass, and then I'm going to drop it. Add a straw, and there you have your Captain Cola. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite rum to mix with cola? And what's your favorite cola to mix with rum? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you have the social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.